never let go through the...
Hey guys, this is You Never Let Go in the key of C. This is a simple way to chord along to this song, so I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that you can print out, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go through it. Okay, so in the key of C, we have C, F, G, and A minor for this song. That's it, just those 4 chords. So let's go through those chords. If you look for a group of 2 black notes, this is a C note to the left of those. Okay, if you line up your 5 fingers and play every other note, you will be in a C chord position. C, E, G. All right, so let's move down here to this group of 3 black notes, and that's the F position. I'm just moving fingers 2 and 4 out of the way so you can see which fingers I'm playing. F, A, C, F chord. Okay, freeze that shape in your hand and just move up 1 set of notes, and that's in the G position. G, B, D. Okay, move up 1 set of notes again, and that's the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay, just those 4 chords. All right, so let's review. C chord. Look for the 3 black notes. F chord, G, and A minor. All right, so left hand is just going to be playing single notes. We're going to keep it simple. So line up your pinky on F, line up your 5 fingers, and don't move your hand this whole song. So we're going to play C note to C chord. Okay, then F to F, G to G, and A minor to A in the bass. Okay, pretty simple. All right, let's talk about how the 2 hands are going to come together through the rhythm. This song is written in 4/4 time signatures, so we are going to use a rhythm called 1-to-2 ratio, and it just looks like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord. Just a nice marching rhythm to give you a foundation to play this song. Okay, so practice that over and over until you're familiar with that. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds when we add in vocals, and then we'll kind of break it down into how we go about playing the 2 verses in the chorus and the bridge. All right, here we go. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, your perfect love is casting out fear. And even when I'm caught in the middle of the storms of this life, I won't turn back, I know you are near. Okay, and then it goes into this. I will fear no evil. Okay. All right, so verse 1 and 2, let's talk about patterns in music. Verse 1 and 2 are the same, and they just go C, F, C, F. So you might just want to practice that in your right hand, just going back and forth, getting used to that transition, because that'll take care of about half the song there with just those 2 verses. Okay, then our pre-chorus, let's move into that. And like I said, don't move this hand the whole song. Don't get out of position because all of your notes are right there. C, F, G, A minor, right? There's no need to move this hand when you're beginning. Okay, so let's start out with A minor, and that's that pre-chorus. I will fear no evil. Okay, so we're just going to go, I will fear no evil. Notice I'm just block chording through that. So I'm not doing that together, right, together, right. I don't have enough time for that. So I'm just going, evil, for my God is with me. That's that same pattern repeated over and over. A minor, G, C, A minor, G, C, okay? And let's see, and if my God is with me. And you could do that together, right, together, right, together, right? Or I just sometimes like to block chord through it. Like I said, evil, kind of breaks it up a little bit. For my God is with me. Maybe now you can add in that rhythm. And if my God is with me, and kind of build up to the chorus, okay? Whom then shall I fear? Whom then shall I fear? And on that F chord, singing. Okay. Then we bridge into, our pre-chorus goes into the chorus. Singing, oh no, you never let go, through the calm and through the storm. A minor there. Oh no, you never let go, in every high and every low. Move down. Oh no, you never let go. Move down again. Oh Lord, you never let go of me. Okay, then we do the verse 2 where we're just rocking back and forth between that C to the F to the C to the F. So that's really simple. Let's look at that bridge. Also, let's talk about patterns. The bridge and the chorus are the same. So we're going through C, A minor, G, F. Okay, so that kind of helps to notice those patterns, because then you're like, oh, once I kind of get used to where these chords are going in their progression, chord progression. Once you understand where they're going, your hand gets used to that. So if you notice the verse 1 and 2 are the same and the chorus and the bridge are the same, it helps kind of take out that overwhelm. Okay, so let's look at that bridge. Yes, I can see a light that is coming for the heart that holds on, and there will be an A minor end to these troubles, but until that day comes, G, still I will praise you, F, still I will praise you. And then you can repeat that bridge if you want, or you can go back into that chorus or pre-chorus, kind of jump around back and forth. It's kind of fun with this one. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Use that printable chord sheet for your benefit. It'll make a lot more sense. I believe in you. Have a lot of fun. Let's do it.
Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, your perfect love is casting out fear. And even when I'm caught in the middle of the storms of this life, I won't turn back. I know you are near, and I will fear no evil, for my God is with me. And if my God is with me, whom then shall I fear? Whom then shall I fear? Singing, oh no, you never let go, through the calm and through the storm. Oh no, you never let go, in every high and every low. Oh no, you never let go, Lord, you never let go of me. And I can see a light that is coming for the heart that holds on, a glorious light beyond all compare. And there will be an end to these troubles, but until that day comes, we'll live to know you here on the earth, and I will fear no evil, for my God is with me, for my God is with me. Whom then shall I fear? Whom then shall I fear? Singing, oh no, you never let go, through the calm and through the storm. Oh no, you never let go, in every high and every low. Oh no, you never let go, Lord, you never let go of me. Yes, I can see a light that is coming for the heart that holds on, and there will be an end to these troubles, but until that day comes, still I will praise you, still I will praise you. Singing, oh no, you never let go, through the calm and through the storm. Oh no, you never let go, and every broken. Oh no, you never let go through the calm.